Hello everyone, I am Tanishka Kumari. I am a third year computer science and engineering student at SRM Institute of Science and Technology, currently maintaining a cumulative GPA of 9.3. I consider myself adaptable, responsible and disciplined. I enjoy working in a collaborative environment. I am someone who stays consistent with commitment and remains composed while taking up responsibilities. I believe in taking ownership rather than waiting for directions. Being a part of Aaruush for the past 3 years, starting as a volunteer, I gradually understood how the system functions, how teams coordinate and how execution is managed across domains. As I progressed, I took up leadership responsibilities where I coordinated teams, ensured smooth execution and maintained accountability within my committee. This journey has significantly strengthened my communication and interpersonal skills. Apart from this, I have volunteered as a teaching student in rural areas at both primary and secondary levels. This has improved my patience, adaptability and ability to communicate with different audiences. I believe in delivering results rather than participation. Becoming an Aaruush organizer is not about the position. It's about the continuation of the commitment that I have shown since the last 3 years. Being a part of the Corporate Strategy and Implementation Committee, I have taken up responsibilities in publicity, sales, ideation, documentation, team coordination, and most importantly, on-ground execution of events. These experiences allowed me to understand how strategy translates into execution and how every small delay or miscommunication can directly affect the overall outcome. For the past 3 years, I have dedicated myself to Aaruush and its success. It has never been about an event. It is something I have invested my time, effort and growth into. During this journey, I have worked closely with my seniors, my peers and my juniors. This exposure helped me understand leadership styles, team dynamics and the importance of coordination across domains. I genuinely value the ecosystem that we work in because it consistently challenges me to improve myself and contribute better. I believe I can contribute as a driving force by bringing output-driven consistency into the team. I strongly believe in leading from the front. I don't just distribute responsibilities, I involve myself in the work. If something needs to be done, I step in, ensure it moves forward. For me, leadership is about setting the standard through action. I focus heavily on execution. Planning is important, but timely completion and consistent follow-up are what determines the results. I make sure tasks are tracked properly and the momentum is maintained. Even under pressure, I remain composed and solution-focused. Instead of reacting emotionally to challenges, I prefer responding with directions, and particularly as a driving force, I would ensure that the team not only works hard, but it works efficiently in alignment. In the short term, I want to improve my ability to make decisions under pressure and handle responsibilities with greater efficiency. As an organizer, I would get the opportunity to strengthen not only my leadership skills, but also my strategic thinking, stakeholder management, and real-time problem-solving skills. I also see this as an opportunity to build my confidence, especially in times of critical decision-making and managing high-responsibility roles. I want to learn how to manage larger teams, handle cross-domain coordination more efficiently, and ensure that the system functions smoothly, even in high-pressure situations. In the long term, I see myself working in roles that require leadership, strategic thinking, and structured execution, whether it is in corporate spaces or in building large-scale technological systems. Aaruush provides a practical platform to develop these skills in a real-world environment. For me, becoming an organizer is about preparing myself to take on bigger responsibilities in the future